Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. We are going to evaluate exponential expression this time. If a is log 3 base 2, b is log 6 base 2, c is log 12 base 2, d is log 24 base 2. So let's get started by considering exponential expression equal to e first. Then I will write two powerful log properties. Log AB with base c can be written as log a with base c plus log b with base c. Property number 1 and property number 2 is log a with base a always equal to 1 because log a over log a will give us 1. Now I will calculate the value of b in terms of a. Is it possible? So b is log 6 base 2. We can factor 6 as 2 times 3. Base is 2. Now we will use property number 1 and we can write log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. Now log 2 base 2 from property number 2, this is equal to 1, and log 3 base 2, this is our a. So yes, we can write b in terms of a, b equal to 1 plus a, or I can write b equal to a plus 1. Now the turn of c. Can we write c in terms of a? Let's check. C equal to log 12 base 2. We can factor 12 4 times 3. Base is 2. We'll apply the same log properties. We will write log 4 with base 2 plus log 3 with base 2. Log 3 with base 2 is a. Now we can write 4 as 2 square. Base is 2. Now I will write another log property, log a power b. This is equal to b log a. So this power 2 will be here as a multiplier plus a. So I can write c equal to 2 times log 2 base 2 plus a. So log 2 base 2 is 1. This is 1. So we are getting c equal to 2 plus a or c equal to a plus 2. So b was a plus 1, c is a plus 2. Let's check d also. We will write d equal to log of 24 with base 2. We will factorize 24. So I can write log 8 times 3 with base 2. We'll use log property and get log 8 with base 2 plus log 3 with base 2. Log 3 base 2 is a. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So I can write this is equal to 3 times log 2 base 2 plus a. Log 2 base 2 is 1. So yes, we are getting d equal to 3 plus a. D as a function of a. So d equal to a plus 3. Now we have to calculate the numerator of the exponent a cube minus b cube minus c cube plus d cube. So let me write here a cube minus b cube minus c cube plus d cube value. So we will write equal to a cube. B was 1 plus a. So I will write minus a plus 1 whole cube minus c was a plus 2. So we will write a plus 2 whole cube, plus d was a plus 3. Now we are going to use a plus b whole cube formula. Let me write formula here, a plus b whole cube, or we should write m plus n whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 times ab square. Let's apply. To evaluate a cube minus b cube minus c cube plus d cube. So I will write equal to a cube. This is done. Now a plus 1 whole cube, and then we will multiply with minus 1. So I will write minus a cube minus 1 minus 3a square minus 3a. Now we will expand a plus 2 whole cube, then we will multiply with minus sign. So I can write here minus a cube minus 8, then minus 6a square, then minus 12a. Now we have only one expansion left, a plus 3 whole cube. We will write equal to plus a cube plus 3 cube is 27 plus 9a square plus 27a. Now we have to simplify RHS. Plus a cube minus a cube minus a cube plus a cube. Now we will consider 9a square minus 3a square minus 6a square. So these three terms will be over. Plus and minus 9a square will be 0. Now we have a terms. So 27a. Here we have minus 12a. Here we have minus 3a. So 27 minus 15. We will get 12a. Now the term of constant. 27 minus 8 minus 1. So 27 minus 9, value will be plus 18. Now I can take 6 common out. So in the bracket we can write 2a plus 3. Let's divide both sides by 6. We will get a cube minus b cube minus c cube plus d cube over 6 equal to 2a plus 3. So our power or exponent is 2a plus 3. So I will write here expression E equal to 2 raised to the power 2a plus 3. Now I will write one exponent law, a power b plus c. This can be written as a power b times a power c. Let us use this exponent property or exponent law. Expression will be equal to 2 power 2a times 2 power 3. Now 2 power 3 is 8. So we can write here 8 times 2 power 2a, and a is log 3 base 2. Now I will write b log a. Anytime we can write log a power b. The reverse process. We will take this multiplier as exponent. So here I will take this 2 as the power of 3. So I can write expression E equal to 8 times 2 raised to the power log of 3 square base 2. So I can write log 9 base 2. Let me write here 2 raised to the power log 9 base 2 equal to 8 times, and this is our required expression E. Now we know that a power log b with base c can be written as b power log a with base c. We can swap these two numbers. So I will swap 2 and 9. I can write here expression E equal to 8 times 9 power log 2 with base 2, and this is equal to 1. So I can write E will be equal to 8 times 9 power 1 or E equal to 8 times 9, E equal to 72. Our final answer is 72. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.